Hey guys, welcome back to DelphStack. Today I'll be showing you how to unsubscribe all emails in Gmail at once. So to do this feature, first thing what you will do is you can just simply go ahead and go to google.com and make sure you are signed in into your account. Now, once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the Gmail over here. And now, once you are on your Gmail, guys, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go more over here on the left side of the screen. And here, when you go for the more, as you can see, you will have a lot of options. You should be able to see here, manage subscriptions. So go ahead and click on this. And from this tab, you can utilize this feature by the Google, and pretty much from here, you should be able to see all of the emails that you are currently subscribed to. So pretty much when you unsubscribe, it can take senders a few days to stop sending messages. So don't expect an instant result. So pretty much to unsubscribe the email that is trying to spam you, select unsubscribe on each and select unsubscribe over here. And pretty much guys, you need to do this all one by one to do this process, and there is no feature of Google that you can do it all at once. But pretty much you can utilize this feature over here in order for you to unsubscribe to some emails. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.